Hello children, how are you all? Today we will be working in this book. Getting ready to write. Getting ready to write. So get ready with your book, your alphabet kit, sharpened pencil, eraser and a red color pencil. I hope everybody has written their name outside and inside the book on the first page. Okay? Let us turn our pages carefully, children, and see what work are we going to do today. Say hello to Bincy. And we will turn our page again. And here comes our phonic chart. We will turn again. We have already completed these two pages. We turn again and we come to letter B. This letter 2 we have completed. Let us turn one more time. Let us turn our page and we come to letter H. We already completed this page too. Turn again. Not this page. Turn again. Oh, this is the letter for today. Today we will be doing letter M. Today we will be doing letter M. First, we will be writing the date. I will be writing the date over here, and the date for today is 6.7.2020. So I have written the date. Look children, how ma'am has written the date on the red line. On the red line. 6 July 2020. Today's letter is M, and the sound that letter M makes is M. M. So you have to look for letter M in your alphabet kit. You have to look for letter M in your alphabet kit. Okay? The lowercase side, the print M, lowercase print M, and lowercase m in cursive. First, we will revise the vocabulary. This is capital cursive M. This is capital cursive M, and this is lowercase m in cursive. Now let us revise the pictures that are associated with letter M. Okay? Let us look at the first picture. Everybody must repeat at home with Archana ma'am. Alright? Now keep your finger on the first picture. Good, and say Emma mosquito. Emma mosquito. Repeat children. Emma mango. Emma mouse. Emma marigold. Emma man. I hope you all are repeating at home. Emma mug. Emma monkey. Emma mirror. And children, what do you see at the border? Something that we can see in the night sky. Emma moon. Emma Moon. Very good, children. Now for an activity, you have to look for letter M in print. Okay, can you see this? Letter M in print form. So you have to search for letter M in these words and we have to circle. Alright, we have to circle letter M using our red color pencil. Let us begin looking for letter M in print in the word mosquito. Can you find letter M? Very good. Let's circle it. Circle letter M. And now search for M in mango. Great. You must look for M in all these words. Okay? In the entire page, look for letter M and circle it with your red color pencil. Now it is time to write letter M in these lines. And children, we will be doing only half page. Today we'll be doing only half page, the top part. And how many times are we going to write letter M? 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will write 4 times in all these columns. Okay? Let's begin writing M. Children, if you see in your alphabet kit card the cursive letter M. Now we have circled letter M in print on our vocabulary page. Now we will be writing the cursive letter M. Cursive letter M over here. But look at this formation. This is incorrect. So we will not be writing or making a slanting line for letter M. Okay? This is not the way we write. Look carefully at the formation of letter M. Children, let's start writing letter M. So I am going to place my pencil over here on the first blue line. No slanting line down to up. No. I will now begin from the top line, the top blue line. So I will make 1 grandpa stick, 2 grandpa stick, 3 grandpa stick and tail out. It looks like a grandpa stick. See? 1 grandpa stick, go up, 2 grandpa stick, go up, 3 grandpa stick and a tail out. Let us see how to write M one more time. So from the first blue line, I'm going to make a grandpa stick. 1, 2, 3 and tail out. Look one more time. 1, 2 and 3 grandpa stick and tail out. Now children, as you have seen, we will not make a slanting line. Down to up, grandpa stick, 2, 3, tail. This is not right, okay? And some of you might make a mountain tail. You will make M and then you will make it like this. Again, this is not the correct tail. Okay, children? And many of you might make many grandpa sticks. There are only 3 grandpa sticks. Okay? There are only 3 grandpa sticks. 1, 2 and 3 and the tail out. Now, many of you might leave space like this. Look at this over here. You have to go back on the same line. One last time, look carefully. 1 grandpa stick, move back. 2 grandpa's tick, go on the same line. 3 grandpa's tick and tail out. 1 grandpa's tick, go up. 2 grandpa's tick, go up. 3 grandpa's tick and tail out. That is the correct formation. So these 1, 2, 3, 4 are the correct formation of letter M. Alright, children? Now how many times has Archana ma'am written M? 1, 2. Let me write one more time. 1 grandpa's tick, go up. 2 grandpa's tick, go up. 3 grandpa's tick and tail out. One more time. 1 grandpa's tick, 2 grandpa's tick, 3 grandpa's tick and tail out. So I have written 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. And I will also write 4 times over here. And I am going to write 4 times only. And I have done my work. Children, I will only write over here. Okay, on the top part, over here, I will not write. Half page writing today. That is it. Alright. So, over here in front of Binsi's house, I am going to write tomorrow's date. So, 7.7.2020. 2020. Look how ma'am has written the date for tomorrow in front of Binsi's house. That means this half page writing, I will be doing it tomorrow. I will complete this half page tomorrow. Today, I will only write half page. Okay, children? So, complete the page and remember to put your letter card M back in the alphabet kit. Children, you must take good care of your letter cards. Please do not lose them. Whenever you do an activity, always put them back in the box. Alright? Take care, enjoy yourself, and do send me the photo of your beautiful letter M. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.